Mobile electronic diagnostic. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have a Jeep Comander 2006. This is the same as Jeep Grand Cherokee engine, 4.7 liter. We have a problem that if we start this car, oh my goodness, that one is smoking like crazy. But let's check this one. Everybody have problem. I'm gonna start this car. You see, it takes longer to start. And as soon as it starts, if you don't put gas, if you don't put your foot in the gas, the car will shut off. You see now, I have to put it slightly. I have to put like 100 RPM. You can go 1000 RPM. You can go back, but you see like, it's not good. So let's together check first. I changed 3 computers, the same response. I'm gonna go to scanner. We need to know what happened there in this car. Do we have a misfire? Is any problem there? What's going on? So I'm gonna go to Jeep. Okay. And this is 2006. Automatic ID, let me see if it's 6 or no. The VIN number will come here now soon. I know it's not clear, but this car, all the coil, okay, 4.7, 2006. That's the VIN number. So let me go check what's going on. Do we have a misfire? Scan codes. I gotta go to engine directly. Because when you want to scan code, it's gonna give you a lot of codes. PCM internal dual port RAM reading, ride integrity failure, transmission control module mill request, P0300, PCM internal dual port RAM read ride integrity failure. Wow, you see here? P01604. And P01700 0300 multiple misfire. I'm gonna go back, turn the key off, turn the key on. I'm gonna clear the codes, continue, read the code again, transmission control mill request. Let me go back to the transmission. I'm using Snap-on virus. This is a Snap-on series of computers. Transmission, code, clear code. Okay, no, I don't want to clear the code. Read code first. You see, okay, line pressure, internal transmission process store. Okay, forget about this. All these codes, I don't know if it's clear or not, but I'm gonna go back and clear all this code. Are you sure? I clear all the code. Read code. No codes. I'm gonna go back to my computer, to engine computer, and then I will read the codes. No codes. I will start this car as usual. You see now? The car is start running. Before I don't have no RPM. Now the car running like a jerk, but we're gonna go. You see, he said PCM internal dual port RAM read write integrity failure. Wow, that's very funny. Give gas. Okay. I want to know if I will get this code into other computer too. So let me go back. No. Okay. I'm gonna go back and replace this one You see here we changed a couple of computers. Crazy one. So let's go back, change this one, and see what's gonna happen. You see this one here, it says integrity failure. That one, it doesn't read good. So let me get the other one. So let me just put one, keep this one here first. There's this computer with this one.
Well, you
So
have
hold
three
it, and
computers?
video is this one.
You have three computers?
Yeah, video it correct. So we're gonna disconnect those. One. Pull the. Okay. Green one on. White. Black maybe or orange. So I'm gonna take it out. Compare. Get all the connectors here. Put this one in. Click it and push here. Don't mix it. Look for the white connector. So this is the white one. You see the sign. Connect it. Then the orange. Then what? Okay.
What's on?
No, hold on. Hi. Okay, now I'm gonna start it the same way. Take longer than to start. I feel like this engine have an issue. Is this car running good? No check engine light. Let me leave it. It die. I gotta do it again. It's good, but let's see what I'm getting. Quotes. Multiple cylinder misfire. Yes, this is one of the things that's multiple cylinder misfire is come out. Okay, I'm gonna go back now to see. I gotta go to the data and see if we have misfire. Sorry, it's not clear, but I gotta go to data. Okay, ignition. This is not what we're looking for. Engine. Cam crank is set in crankshaft and camshaft are in sync. What we have here, I don't see no misfire issue here. Anything related to misfire, I don't see it. Go back. Throttle. No. Miscellaneous function. I don't need this one. I just want to see if I can get misfire. Generic function. mode 6. Let me see if mode 6 will give us the misfire and all this. Random misfire, that means random misfire. The random misfire is too much that the car cannot retain. It's okay. Cylinder number 6 misfire. It will give you the detailed misfire. Misfire ready? Yes. No. No. Minimum, maximum. Result pass. This is how you read all the misfire on those. But I just really know that we have cylinder misfire. ID 290. Anyhow, this is an idea where you can get your misfire count and all this. Let me go into another way. Exit. I'm gonna go exit. I'm gonna go back on the scanner to diagnose. Sorry, but based on this information, this engine is messed up. No misfire on injectors and coils or anything, but this engine is misfire. You see misfire start blinking, engine is no good. This time I'm gonna go to OBD2, not the scanner. Let's go, get us OBD2 and we check it. Okay, direct OBD2. It will read the information, diagnose, communication, start communication. Hi, how are you?
Weekend?
Okay.
I carry some more money come get.
Are you here, around here? You working here now?
I'm working for Mitsubishi.
Yeah, because last time I see you here.
I work for Volkswagen.
So let me know whenever you're ready.
No, by weekend I carry some more money come give you.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
All
How's
right?
the family? How's the family? Everything good?
Yeah, man, everything good.
Yeah, be safe.
I still want them locks.
No problem. Just
So
let me know.
when I take care of you, I go take the locks.
No problem, my brother.
right.
Thank you. No problem. Display current data. I believe this car engine no good. Engine is messed up. I'm trying to get some reading of the engine misfire. I don't get it, but thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. In this car here, right now my feed is under gas. If I release it, you see, it will shut off. And that means this. No, why not clean the throttle body and see maybe the idle air it doesn't have nothing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at the idle air and check it and be sure that we have enough. You see, like now, if I adjust it a little bit, it's open and it's working. feel like this car is missing part. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronics. This is Muhammad Idris. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you on another video.